Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s squared plus 1. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1, so we have the u. This one we have 2s. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. So this one we change by u. 2s, the s we change by the u. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about s squared plus 1, and I will put about c in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.